Moline High School catalog of course offerings for the 2026-27 school year. You can access the course catalog by going to the Moline High School webpage under Academics, clicking on Course Catalog. If you are a student, you can also access the course catalog in your grade level Google Classroom. When you open up the course catalog, you will scroll down to page 2, and this is where you'll find the table of contents. Within the table of contents, you can look on the left-hand side of the page and see each section. The page numbers are listed to the right. If you want to go to a particular section, you just click on it, and it takes you directly to that section within the course catalog. Then as you scroll down, you will see where it says Return to Table of Contents. You can return to the table of contents and go through any section that you would like to look at. There is a how to use the catalog of course offerings, and it goes through and it talks through exactly how to use this course catalog. In each section, under each department, there will be the subject. This is the column list of all the courses offered by the department. Courses listed in bold are full year courses and must be requested for both semesters. Courses in regular font are single semester courses and should not be requested twice in a school year. Then next to that, you will see the semester 1 and semester 2 course number. All of the odd numbers are for semester 1 and all of the even numbers are semester 2. The year column indicates by student classification the year students are eligible to take the course. Then the last part is prerequisites, recommendations, and related information. So that column will tell you what you need to do in order to take that course. You can also use this to go to graduation requirements. If you're not sure how many credits are required to get a diploma, you can go to this section and it will tell you exactly what in each department how many credits that you need. You do need a total of 21.5 credits at Moline High School in order to earn a diploma. Now we're going to go to a department. We will look at the English department as an example. So here's where we were talking about the subject, the semester 1 and 2 course numbers, the year in school you can take the course, prerequisites, recommendation, and related information. Here's also where you will notice if a class is in bold, meaning it is a year-long class that you have to take it for the whole year, or if it is a one-semester class, for example, freshman English, that is only offered during semester 2. English has many classes to look through, and as you will scroll down, you will see all of the classes, all 4 years. There will also be special notes underneath each department's list of courses, talking about your departmental honors, what classes could possibly be dual credit, and then courses listed in bold are full year and must be requested for both semesters. It just kind of gives all of that. Then as you continue down in the section, it will give a general course description for each class. So for those of you who are seniors and you need to pick English electives, you're going to scroll down a little ways. And for example, here's comp. This is the dual credit class through Blackhawk College. You earn credit through Blackhawk College, but you take the course at Moline High School. So there's Comp 101 and Comp 102, and it talks all about it here. Then if you keep scrolling, college prep writing and literature, acting is another elective, college and technical writing, communication skills, creative writing, so on and so forth. This is where you will find course descriptions for each of the electives. One more thing I would like to point out to everybody as you're looking through the course catalog. If you scroll down in the table of contents and see where it says course requests, freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, this is located at the end of the course catalog, and these documents have also been made into Google Docs For each grade level, sophomore, junior, senior, this would be the grade you will be in for the 26-27 school year. So the sophomores are the current freshmen, juniors are the current sophomores, and seniors are the current juniors. These Google Docs are available to you within your grade level Google Classroom under the Maroon Mindset lesson for December 17th. Each student has been given access to a Google Doc with this course request document in order to help you make a plan in what courses you would like to take and request for next school year. So for example, if we click on a sophomore course request sheet, so the current ninth graders would look at this, it is going to list out the subject English, Math, Science, Social Studies, and PE. These are the classes that will be recommended for you by the teachers. These classes will already show up in Skyward for you when you do your course requests. Your job is going to be to pick electives. It also points out on here that you are not automatically enrolled in driver's ed. So if you want it on your schedule, you must request it in your elective space. Space is limited and the semester may vary by number of requests. So it also tells you when you have to be born by for which one you can request. 907, PE 907 is first semester, and PE 908 is second semester. The other piece that everybody needs to know, whether you're going to be a sophomore, junior, or senior, is that at the bottom of the course request page is for you to choose your alternates. You need to pick extra electives, and you also are able to put those into Skyward and be ready to talk about some alternates with your counselor, because sometimes the electives that you choose are not always available. So it's really important to have alternates on your sheet. I'm going to click here to return to the table of contents, and it takes me back to this bookmark page. So again, you can use this course catalog to look through all of the classes that you want to take, all of your electives, and it also has a link to the course request pages.